Hey everybody, John Woolworth here. This will be a fairly short video today. I'm taking a break this week from the ambulance conversion videos, and I'll have some new content on that up pretty soon with all of our updates, including a little bit of trouble we've had with the build. But in the meantime though, a couple weeks ago I got the chance to travel to the Pacific coast of Oregon. I traveled to Haystack Rock and the surrounding coast about 80 miles west of Portland at Cannon Beach, and of course I brought my drone and other cameras with me. Haystack Rock is a famous destination for tourists, and I can totally see why. The massive rock spires rise straight out of the ocean, and more rocks like it continue on down the coast in both directions. The Tillamook Lighthouse even sits a mile offshore farther north, and it's pretty dramatic, and it's visible from Cannon Beach. Well, I was blessed to visit on a sunny day, as I'm told the beach is usually socked in with fog. I spent most of the day here, just shooting the beauty as I saw it. If you ever get the chance to visit Oregon, Cannon Beach and the coast along Route 101 is absolutely a must-see. Once we're done converting the ambulance, I'm looking forward to coming back here and exploring more than just this small section of the coast and bringing the rest of my family with me too. I'm going to keep showing the beauty of this place for a little bit more, but if you're enjoying this video, please like us and subscribe to be notified when more content comes out. Until next time, enjoy this stunning place through my lens.